And we're ready to start. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we start the autonomous period. 64-24 Stealth Panther puts a coral piece in the reefs, as does Bomb Squad. Stealth Panther comes back with number 2. They're going to back and see if they can't get a third. They're flying forward. They reach up, they shoot, they score! Bringing the autonomous period to close with a score of 30-14. 54-54 Obsidian puts a piece of algae in the opposing human station. 74-83 comes over to play some defense. They've got to be really careful with their defense because they can make contact, they can make full contact, they can hit them as hard as they can. However, they cannot hit a robot that is around the reef in that taped off area. So they have to be super careful not to accrue penalty points in the playing of defense. On the far side, Nobnosser High School and Bomb Squad continue to put pieces on. Well, at least they attempt to. Nobnosser does do it. 16 unfortunately misses. Nobnosser puts and scores a piece of coral on level 3. The Bomb Squad comes around to try to clear out the space so that they can get up tight and close. They go up, they shoot, they score in L4. Current score is 82-77. It's a tight one here as we head into the 1 minute mark. System meltdown, 23-57, continuing to grab pieces of coral from the human feeder station. They're going up and scoring and looking to score in L4. 50-45, Spartabot also attempting to score pieces on the reef. 74-83 is doing a good job of trying to defend the human feeder station. They're trying to really mark off and avoid drawing penalties. Unfortunately, they are not successful in that they do secure penalty points there. System meltdown secures a piece of coral, goes up to look to score. They go up. It looks like they're going to try to remove a piece of algae, which they do. Then they go up to L3, shoot, score. No problems there. Nobnosser and Bomb Squad continue their assault on the reef as they're reseeding it with pieces of coral. Bomb Squad leaves a little early, having had a comfortable lead secured, so that Bomb Squad can attempt to go up and climb. We'll see if they're successful. They go to the middle cage. They push forward, trying to grab onto that cage. Nobnosser screams up behind them. They, too, go up. They're easily up in the air. We'll see if Bomb Squad can join them. 16, unable to climb. Oh, they want to climb so badly, but they don't. Final score at the end of the sounding of the horn is 132 to red, 132 blue to 108 on the Red Alliance.